What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. I hope everybody's having a great day, and this is regarding the cell phone mining operation. So everybody is super concerned about bloating batteries. Some people remove the batteries and just run them off the wires, but certain phones won't do that, so then you have to do like a little modification or whatever. But another guy told me about getting a timer, a plug timer, typically used for like Christmas lights and stuff like that, and turn the power off to your phones periodically. So the one that I got, I don't know exactly how it works, but you can like push these little pins down, and I think it's push down the joint slices according to the working duration of the household appliance you need. So when they're pushed down, it's on, and when they're pushed up, it's off. So I could charge it for an hour and then have an hour off, and then charge it for an hour and then have an hour off. And apparently it's better to have the batteries come down and come back up and down and back up than just keep them on 100% all the time, plugged in all the time. We're gonna experiment with this because I'd like to keep my batteries from bloating. I'm gonna start with probably turning them off for, I don't know, maybe 2 hours, and then back on for 2 hours, and then back off for 2 hours. I don't know if that's going to be enough charging time or not. I guess I'll find out tomorrow. So let me plug this in and show you how it's working, and we'll go from there. All right, so I have pushed these slots down. I set it, it's a little after 12 right now, and it's on. So if I pull these slots up, that turns the power off. You have to turn the switch to on before you can put the little slots back down. It won't let you for some reason. But so now we'll put it back on the timer, and that means it's gonna run from about a little after that one. Yeah, from 11 to like 12:30, and then it'll be off all the rest of this time. Obviously we don't want that, so we'll turn it on at like 3, probably let them run till about 5, and then let them go off from 6 till 7, then turn them back on and run them till about 9, and then 10 to 11 off, and then back on at lunchtime, and let them probably run till about, I'd say about 4, yeah, and then off from 5, 6, and back on at 7, and then back off at 9. So that kind of, some different charging cycles, longer durations, that kind of thing. Oh, I do have to plug this bad boy back in there, if I can get it in there. There we go. All right, so everything's plugged in and we're good to go. The switch on the side is a timer, or just a straight on switch. So when it's on the timer, it follows the timer. When it's just on, it's just on all the time. So note to self. But if you have it on timer and you're trying to set these dip switches, or whatever these things are called, kind of remind me of dip switches, on the actual time that you're on, it won't let you do it. It like blocks it. So you got to put the thing to up, and then it actually works. So yeah, wish me luck. Hopefully this ends up saving my batteries. I guess I really won't know until I get a long-term test in. But if you guys have any experience with using like timed charge controllers and stuff like that, these were like super reasonable. I got it off Amazon, and I want to say it was like $5 or $6. And if I don't end up like phone farming very long, I definitely can use this in the winter time whenever we go to put up our Christmas lights, because I mean, this is very simple and it just works. Now this is limited to 15 amps at 120 volts. So right now we're only pulling like nothing, but I guess if we were to put a heavy load on it, I probably wouldn't put it over, we'll do the 50% rule. So I wouldn't put it over, 7.5 amps, just because I think we'd be asking for trouble. But anyway, guys, we're keeping this video short and sweet. So if you are interested in one of these, I believe I still do have an Amazon affiliate link, and I'll put it down below in the description. But other than that, peace out. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.